Okay.
Sorry.
Who knows who better?
Let's get it.
You know though. It's just, I don't know why you try. Okay, first question. Who was your first boyfriend?
My first?
No,
boyfriend?
my first. Well, I mean, that's just the question, but you say mine and I say yours.
Oh, okay. Yours was Kardashian.
Yeah, that's not fair though. That was an easy. That's an easy one.
And who's mine?
Yours was Ivan.
Ivan!
Was it?
What a cutie pie.
He
Yeah.
was cute. Where is he?
I have no idea.
Hi,
He's
Ivan.
married to my best friend now from back then.
Really?
Don't
What
do
do you
that
mean
to
your
me.
best friend?
What? I mean, from a long
She's
time
not your
ago.
best friend. She can't be your best friend. Okay? So you cut those ties now. Okay. You wanna ask the next one? Get it.
What is your favorite food addiction? What is my favorite food addiction?
Is this like a food or like a thing?
Like a food dog.
Okay. A food dog. I don't know if this counts because I guess it's not like a food, but like I know you're obsessed. Garlic.
Garlic! And everything.
And everything.
Cornflakes.
You put garlic in ice cream. No, okay, she doesn't actually. Do you? I don't know. I feel like you do creepy things sometimes.
Only with you.
Oh, it's gone. The questions are gone. That's fine.
What?
Oh no. Okay, here. Heels or
No, I need to answer yours, girl. What you doing?
Yeah, Heiser.
Your favorite food addiction?
Addiction.
Yes.
Tell
Like
them,
to
girl.
put inside.
Tell them, girl. I see you already know.
Tomato sauce. This girl is disgusting with tomato sauce. Like her food is always red. It's
But
sick.
tomato sauce is delicious. It's so good. It's like sweet and tangy and it's really good. Okay, heels or flats? That's the next one. So for me, heels or flats. I mean, this is easy. Actually, we should show up the shoes we're wearing now. This is so stupid, right?
Well,
I don't know if you can see. Can you see? I'm wearing like really comfortable sandals.
yeah. So yours are flats, like,
Yeah.
and mine.
Yeah, you're definitely a heels girl. Like,
Yeah,
and I'm
yeah,
definitely
yeah.
a flats girl.
Okay.
That was easy.
How do you feel about yourself?
Great. Fantastic. How do you feel about yourself?
My legs are sexy.
They are actually nice. Okay. Oh,
Faith Kardashian to impersonate.
we have to. Okay, wait. Let's say this together. We have the same one, right? I think so. Let's say her name, right? Are you gonna say it in the accent? I didn't say you want to do it. I know you.
Okay.
Say her name in her accent. Okay.
Yeah, her name.
1, 2, 3.
Kourtney
Kardashian. Right? Expression that's like, oh my god, mom, you're like so annoying. How could you tell me to have a fun time?
Oh my god, I'm having a baby right now. I am pushing my baby out of my vagina.
I'm giving birth. I mean, seriously, I can't deal. She's so funny. She's so funny.
I love it.
Okay, this is like a 2-in-1 question. So, favorite alcoholic beverage, and then what's our favorite alcoholic beverage to have together? It's not the same thing. So, what is mine?
Okay. You're so egotistical. Come on. Okay. Should I go first?
Yeah.
For yours?
Yeah.
Gin.
Okay.
Gin by
Yeah.
yourself? Yeah?
Yeah.
Can I do this, your fave?
Yeah, gin and tonic. I like gin and tonic.
And then together, can you say it
Wait,
together?
no, but what's yours? I didn't do yours.
Oh, do mine. Do me.
Wait, but yours is the same as us together, kind of, isn't it? Right?
Yeah.
It is. That's what
pretty
you.
much.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But then you also like.
I feel like they don't know what we're talking about.
This is about us, okay? I forget that there's an audience when I'm with my best friend.
Your best friend.
Her favorite drink, I believe, is vodka lemonade. Although, when we are together, we always, literally always, 10 a.m. in the morning, it is our breakfast.
1, 2, 3.
Wine!
Come on. Yeah.
All the time.
Do you have a vodka
It's
wine right now?
I really want one. I don't have one. Do you?
You?
Do we get one? That's like our prize for like murking these questions.
Are we done?
Yeah, I think that was it.
I was having such a good time.
I know.
You guys are so dead on. Like, Kim, you were so.
Oh my god.